I got an email recently from somebody on my email list, and they were asking me why it is that I send out the videos that I shoot in emails, and they point to a page on my website, and most of the content on that page is pretty much the same. So, there'll be the video at the top, and then there'll be a bit of text about the video, and then from there the content will bridge into more or less the same sort of information all the way down the page about what I do and how I help and what I try to give to people and so on and so forth, right? So most of the content on the page is the same, and this person was pointing out in the email that if I was to create an individual page for each video, I would probably get more customers, more people buying my products, and I'd make more sales revenue at the front end and basically get more people to take action and persuade more people to buy. And this person, they have a very valid point which I want to dive into, because it really highlights one of the absolute foundational principles that I've learned is crucial if you're going to succeed in business. Now, a lot of people, especially when they start, and even beyond as well, a lot of people make the mistake of thinking that if they focus on the money, right, if they focus on earning as much money as they can and seeing how they can get people to give them as much money as possible, then that's the key to growing wealth and ultimately being successful in business. Now, when people come into business with this principle or this idea, they end up missing out an absolutely crucial step, and that is that you have to lead with value. Because in business, earning money is directly in proportion to how much value you are able to give to people. And if you make the focus about you, right, and about earning as much money as possible, you take the focus away from the only thing that really matters, which is helping people, which is giving value. And I learned this lesson in June 2017, so still quite early on in my journey, and my business wasn't quite getting the results that I wanted, and my whole focus was, how can I get more people to sign up? How can I get more people to buy so that I can get more money? It was I, me, I want. And I'd missed the fundamental foundation of everything, which is that I needed to focus my efforts on giving value to as many people as possible. And when I started doing that, I launched my members webinar, I launched the private members Facebook group that I do now. I really started supporting people as much as I could and helping them move through the early stages of their online business journeys, and really shifting the focus away from me and making the focus about helping other people achieve their goals. Because if you help enough people achieve their goals, you will achieve everything that you ever want in return. And that's the single most important thing that we need to keep in mind in business. So to go back to this email that I got, sure, I could put more focus on building individual landing pages for every single video content piece that I send out, and sure, I might persuade more people to buy, and I might make more money at the front end. And it wouldn't necessarily need to be me that builds that and does that. I could get my team to do it, I could outsource it. But at the end of the day, I want to put my focus in the area that is going to give as much value as physically possible. And that is helping and supporting the people who are coming through this journey, who are in my community, in my Facebook group, who are, paying customers and are looking to achieve certain results in their life. They have goals that they want to meet. They have, corporate careers they want to get out of. They have various reasons for doing this. And those are the people who, if I put my focus and attention into helping, as a byproduct of that, the revenue that the business will generate is going to be so much higher, because the whole focus is on helping people, supporting people, giving people value, and giving them everything that they want in their lives, which by default, in return, means that my business is going to be profitable, because it's helping other people become profitable. That's the key. All right, so I want to share this lesson. I hope this does make sense, and I hope this helps. We've got to remember, as we're going into business, make it about other people. And if you make it about giving value, leading with value, giving value to other people, then you'll get all the results that you want in your business and in your life in return. All right, thanks for watching. I'll see you in another video. Bye for now.